Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge. We're here at Clementon Park and we are doing our update spotlight on the carousel shop over here. Now this is the main store that they have, but they also have another area too. So we're going to jump there and show you both areas here. But this is the main store here, and I'm going to give you a heads up. It is a little loud inside there. They have some kind of air conditioning issue, but you know what? We're here to show you all the new merchandise for this year. So as soon as you walk in, what you're going to see here is lifeguard stuff. So they always got the lifeguard stuff. And then over here, they actually got a lot of new different towels and new stuffed animals. So these are nice. I like these better than the ones that I have. I actually have a Clementon towel in my book bag right now, my backpack. But let's show you some of the new styles that they have for the Clementon wear. Here they got Feeling Fantastic, Clementon Splash World, I'm Totally Jawsome. So those are nice there. Now these are nice. I really like this kind of material, and I'm liking the new logo there with the wave. That's something I haven't seen before there. Kind of like Niagara, they were changing the Niagara logos. Looks like they're doing that too. They're transitioning into that new logo. But right here, Pint Size Princess, Mermazing, and these are all Clementon Park in nature here. And here's like their main shirts here. So they've got the purple one's kind of nice there on that end. And then you got this right here. That's another cute logo that is kind of new from what I saw before. And then up here they got the other ones you got established 1907, so over 100 years old. There's the nautical one with the what's that called, the coordinates and stuff. And there's what you got there. This one's kind of neat too. That one's probably something I would actually buy. I kind of like that. So that's the Clementon stuff. But over here they also have, you know, regular stuff here, because this park, it says Clementon Park, but a lot of it is Splash World. So you got a wall of flip-flops and goggles. Over here you got to have stuffed animals, because kids just love stuffed animals. Wild Republic, so you got all these, even honeybees. I usually don't see honeybees. Over here you got flower binoculars and things like that. And over here you got more stuff for the kids. Light up sharks, ocean adventures. Over here you got the little grabby tools and all that. And then of course you got to have some candy, right? You got to sugar the kids up. So you got some candy here. You got a giant slinky, especially things here. And then over here they've got bracelets and all that. You got keychains. Over here you got some jewelry stuff, a whole wall of sunglasses. And then over here you actually got some light things that are kind of new. But what I always like is here you've got Clementon cups, Laguna Kahuna, which is one of their attractions here. They got the shot glasses. So they got all that stuff on Clementon Park. So that is what they have in the store, but hold on one second. There is another little annex now that we want to show you in this video. All right, so we're right here at the main gate. Right there is a Ring of Fire. Right there's the main gate. Now new for this year is actually right here by the Dippin' Dots. They actually have a store right here now that they didn't have before. So this is kind of new. And of course it's got limited apparel, but they do have some neat stuff here. So I like this a lot actually. The light sweatshirt, hooded sweatshirt, that is something I like there. And then over here you got more of the towels. Definitely got a lot of towels. Got some kid stuff here. And over here you got more of the Hawaiian shirts that they give away here. But so that is all the merchandise they have for this year. So let us know what you think in the comment section, and can't wait to see you in the queue.